The commanders of India and China's militaries started talks today in an effort to resolve the tense situation along the line of actual control in eastern Ladakh. Lieutenant General Harinder Singh met his Chinese counterpart at the Chushul-Moldo border meeting point earlier this morning. Officials cautioned against expectations of any immediate resolution, saying the Saturday meeting could be the first of several. With 9,887 fresh cases, the COVID-19 tally in India on Saturday rose to 2,36,657, with as many as 6,642 fatalities, according to latest data released by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. On the global front, over 67 lakh people have been infected, while the death toll stood at 394,875. As many as 27,46,192 people have recovered world over so far. According to reports, gradual relaxations in the lockdown over the past month have not triggered a major surge in the novel coronavirus infections in the country. The transmission rate, or the number of people getting infected by an already infected person, has been going down steadily and is now the lowest since it began to be calculated early in the outbreak. A new analysis shows that the reproduction number is now down to 1.22, which means only 122 people are getting infected on average by every 100 already infected people. But the beginning of the end of an epidemic can be said to have started only when the reproduction number falls below 1. Air India started the sale of tickets at 5 p.m. yesterday for select destinations in the US, Canada, United Kingdom and Europe under Phase 3 of Vande Bharat mission. The website of the national carrier experienced 6 to 7 times more activity and over 22,000 seats have been sold till 8 a.m., the airlines said. Former Vice President of United States Joe Biden, a votary for strong US-India relations, has formally become the Democratic presidential nominee to run for the White House against President Donald Trump in the elections in November. The veteran Democrat, who served as the 47th Vice President of the United States from 2009 to 2017 during the presidency of Barack Obama, would formally be nominated at the Democratic National Convention in Wisconsin in August.